Deck 3. Doors opening.
We'll start at the back of the ship, which is a Tuscan grill with specialty restaurants. I'm stuck. Hallway, balcony, inside, port side. Right with the grand point on deck 2. This is deck 3. The doors and everything is different color. 3. This is the main. This is where guest services is. And the main foyer room. Shore excursions. And then this is it. Lots of seating area, pretty comfortable. So here's our trip. Starting in Yokohama, in Japan. Nights. And that's it. Here's the Godmother. This ship is built in 2000, last refurbished in 2019. She's the oldest ship in the Celebrity fleet. Alright, we have the Martini Bar. We have the casino on deck 4. The opposite side, we have the Potts elevator deck, midship. Past the casino would be the theater. And in the rear would be, I can't remember on this one. We have access to the deck here. We have the rendezvous lounge. Or is it the cellar? No, this is the rendezvous lounge. Goes all the way to the main dining in the back. This is a very nice lounge. It's large. Covers both sides. And like I said, main dining deck 4, and then the is in the rear. This side is the main dining on the starboard side, but on the port side, it was one of the other restaurants. That's right. Alright, let's go up on that deck 5 in the rear of the ship. We have the Blue Restaurant. And then on the other side is the Metropolitan main dining. And then in front of it is Cellar Masters, another bar. Relaxing bar with live music. It's very nice. And of course, next to Cellar Masters is Sushi on 5. Right there, which is their sushi restaurant for the ship. And once you come out of that, we're back in midship again. We have this elevator again, the clear elevators, the glass elevators. Port side, we have the gelato station, a Cafe Baccio, and then we have Cafe Baccio on that side. A nice live piano area with a lot of seating area here, and it is midship. Like I said, we're on deck 5 now, and down here would be your shops, future cruise, all that is there. And leading to the deck 5 portion of the theater. So this is all the shops. This tells you pretty much what's available. We've done 3 through 5 now. There's from 6 through 9 there's only room, so let's go to 10 now. And we'll hit the exit, wait for it to come, and we'll cover it. The sports deck we won't go to, but we'll go to everything else. Alright, deck 10. To the rear is the Oceanview Cafe. We'll get to that a little bit later. Let's go look at the pool. This is deck 10 pool. They got beverage machines once they're open. This is the grill near the pool deck. Cheeseburgers, hamburgers, and it's called a mass grill, and hot dogs with all the trimmings. Very nice. Towards the front, lots of seating area, of course. Towards the front of the ship, you have the solarium. It's very early in the morning right now, so the ship is very, dead. But this is the solarium. It's temperature controlled in the front, with a pool and hot tub. It's very nice. Apple spot. Lots of seating area, temperature controlled, and just to the inside is the spa cafe, which is included, and a beverage station right there to the right. Okay, coming up to deck 11. It's closed, but that's the Sky Lounge. That was very lovely, and we have this lovely love display. So we won't be able to see the Sky Lounge, I'm sorry, because the doors are closed. Over there is Camp at Sea for kids on the other side, so there's no access going back. So there is a door here. And we'll take a look at that, but let's take a look at the restrooms. The restrooms are very nice. It has a very aromatic smell. Marble sinks, towels, hand towels to dry, tissues, always folded neatly. Yes, and it has a nice aroma in here. So the restrooms are nice. Let's go on deck 11. We just passed. Beautiful morning. This is the retreat for the different class. If you're above that class, this is deck 11. This is also where you have the running track, walking track. Here is the, solarium. There's another bar up here. Great place to sit and enjoy yourself. Spent a lot of time there. There's a good view of the pool area. There's 2 pools. Or hot tubs. There's the pool bar there, and another bar there if you need it. We're going to the aft of the ship, and we're going to look at the area for the deck. Alright, so we have elevators if we need it. We're going to the rooftop terrace. That's where the basketball court is. Well, here is the rooftop terrace. Currently basketball and pickleball. It looks like soccer, okay. On the rooftop terrace area, there's a lot of little nooks and crannies that you can sit. Protected with lounge chairs, open to anyone. Just to enjoy the sailing. And of course we have the rear projection TV, or I should say the large screen for you to watch movies as you go. And then from there you can walk down to the rear, totally rear of the ship. And here is the Sunset Bar, which also has doors to the Oceanview Cafe. And there you go. That's the rear of the ship. We're gonna go down, and we'll go in the. Okay, we made it down. There's the Sunset Bar, and there's the doors to the Oceanview Cafe. Let's go take a quick look. Poached eggs in the morning, but the pizza at night till 1. Good morning. Fine, thank you. How are you this morning? Good. We're setting up for breakfast, but this place is constantly busy. This is the main buffet, so this is where you'll spend most of your time eating. They wrap everything with plastic wrap in the front until they're open for service, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and late food. But they have a very good. This is the beverage counter. Got pretty much everything you want. The main entry coming in. They do have wash stations, bakery, and on the opposite side of the front of the Oceanview is the ice cream station, which is included. So, right here, some ice cream, soft serve, and desserts. Okay guys, that's a quick view of the Celebrity Millennium, and thank you for watching that video, and thank you for subscribing. So we'll see you again. Take care. Bye everyone.